Have you ever wondered why it seems like Stash takes forever to transfer money from your bank account? It's a question that's plagued many of us who have tried to use this popular investment app. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the factors that influence Stash transfer times and provide some tips to help you streamline the process. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Stash is. It's a mobile app that allows you to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. One of its key features is the ability to transfer funds from your bank account directly to your Stash investment account. Factors affecting transfer times. Bank processing speeds. The first and most significant factor is the processing speed of your bank. Different banks have varying turnaround times for incoming and outgoing transfers. Some banks are known for their efficiency, while others may take longer. Transfer type. The type of transfer you're making can also impact the processing time. For instance, ACH transfers, which are electronic fund transfers between banks, typically take longer than wire transfers, which are faster but often come with higher fees. Stash's processing time. Stash itself plays a role in the transfer process. While they strive to process transfers as quickly as possible, there may be instances where their systems experience delays or require additional verification. Weekend and holiday delays. Transfers initiated on weekends or holidays may experience delays due to reduced bank operations. Pending transactions. If you have any pending transactions on your bank account, it can sometimes slow down the transfer process. Tips for faster transfers. Choose a fast bank. If you have the option, consider switching to a bank known for its efficient transfer processing. Use wire transfers. For faster transfers, consider using wire transfers, although be prepared to pay higher fees. Avoid weekend and holiday transfers. Whenever possible, initiate transfers during weekdays to avoid potential delays. Clear pending transactions. Ensure there are no pending transactions on your bank account before initiating a transfer. Contact Stash customer support. If you're experiencing unusually long transfer times, don't hesitate to reach out to Stash customer support for assistance. Additional considerations. Transfer limits. Stash may have transfer limits in place, which can affect how quickly your funds are available for investment. Verification process. In some cases, Stash may require additional verification before processing a transfer, which can add to the waiting time. While Stash transfer times can vary depending on several factors, understanding these influences can help you manage your expectations and potentially expedite the process. By choosing a fast bank, using wire transfers when necessary, and avoiding weekends and holidays, you can increase your chances of receiving your funds promptly. Have you had any experiences with Stash transfer times? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial content. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.